Omukushoborera kwabo abebembezi bamwe abo mu kibiina ekya NRM bagira ngo bahati ekyo bariyo nibakora kigenderire konjera amaani bari kutandikira ahansi kwena ngu babase kusinga kurungi Akaruuru ihanga lyona. Uriyo muhwezi wa Secretary General Rose Namayanja yarangirira ngo NRM yatongoza ikibayita Parish Based Grassroots Mobilization Strategy aho campaigns narisho kuronda obushagiki kuri kwija kuba nikukorwa omu miringo etari emwe n'emwe.
We are launching today the Parish Based Grassroots Mobilization Strategy. We are taking the campaign in threefold. One is the rallies that the candidate is having. Two is this parish-based mobilization strategy. And then, of course, the third phase is the last mile.
Oguyayongera yagira ngu enkiiko aharengo rw'Emerika omu ihanga lyona zaherize kutongozibwa kandi abantu bagira ngu ekishemerire kuba kiri hagati y'abebembezi b'ekibiina kya NRM ahamwe n'abataka.
And right now, today, we are launching the parish meetings, and at the parish we are inviting, or we are interacting, we are interfacing with the NRM leaders at the village level.
Ori omubichi omukibiina ekya NRM nekesa owindo nagira ngu programu eyokukungana abantu eriyo netambura kurungi ari kugira ngu ekigendererwa nokureba ngu abekibiina ekya NRM babasa kusingira higura Akaruuru.
I want to assure you that everything is progressing so well. And as we speak, we are now embarking on the parish mobilization. The main objective with this is to ensure that districts where Mzee has visited, we are not sleeping. The momentum must be carried on. Mzee has been giving his message, explaining to Ugandans the major 7 contributions of our party, and these must be explained to the Wananchi.
Ori director owa mobilization Rosemel Seninde nagira ngu ekibatongoza kigenderire kureba ngu babasa kurinda ebintu ebyakozirwe ari kugira ngu entunguka emirimo obugeiga tibikubaasa kutungwa hatariho businge.
We are protecting that gain, that major gain. Not only that, because we know you cannot develop when there is no peace. You cannot create wealth when you don't have peace.
Emmanuel Dombo oli kukurira ebyamakuru omu kibiina kya NRM yagamba aha mirimo ey'oburi omwe arabe nakora kwena ngu ekibiina kya NRM hatagira omwanya na gumwe ogubashanga ngu tibiinaho Karuuru omu ihanga lyona.
The coordination is done by the party secretariat headed by the Secretary General, and the implementation is done by the party structures and the members of the party. That is the level of organization. And NRM should not get a 0 in any polling center in Uganda.
Gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga aha Tayari West.